everybody! How are you today? Hope you're well. Today we are going to have lots of fun with Kinder Surprise eggs. Enjoy! Do you know what color is it? Pink! Good job! Play-Doh! I love it! I'm wondering what is inside. Awesome! Let's open another surprise egg. Do you recognize this color? Green. Well done! Wow, I love this bright color. Let's see what is in the capsule. What's that? Wow! Let's open another surprise egg. Do you know this color? Blue. Good job! Quick, I want to see it. Let's open another surprise egg. Do you know what color is it? Yellow. Very good.